Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayo and I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. I hope you are all fine and doing great. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and remember to turn on the notification bell. On today's tutorial, I will be drafting the basic sleeve pattern. The basic sleeve pattern that I will be drafting requires just two measurements. The measurements I will be using are the around arm measurement, which is taken at the fullest part of the upper arm, also known as the biceps. Also, I will take the sleeve length, the desired sleeve length, which is taken from the tip of the shoulder to the desired length that we want. For today's tutorial, I will be drafting just the short sleeve pattern. If a longer sleeve is desired, we have to take additional measurements. We have to take the desired sleeve length, which would have changed, and also we need to measure the around wrist measurement and the around elbow measurement. For today's tutorial, I'll be focusing just on the short sleeve pattern. The long sleeve pattern may be attended to in another tutorial. So if you are ready for this, let's get started. Thank you. Items: pattern paper, tape rule, French curve, tracing wheel, ruler, marker pens, pins, scissors and calculator. I'll be working with the following measurements: the around arm measurement, which is 23.5 centimeters, and the sleeve length, which is 22 centimeters. The sleeve will be a short sleeve. Draw a horizontal line at the middle of the pattern paper. Locate the midpoint of the line and label as point A. From point A, measure 3.5 centimeters upwards. This is point B. Join the 2 points together as shown. Now estimate around arm measurement plus 8 centimeters is all over 4, which will give us 7.9 centimeters. Now measure this out from point A to point C and from point A to point D. Label the points as shown. Also, measure this value downwards from point C, A and D to points E, F and G respectively. Join the points together to form a rectangle as shown.
Measure 1 cm downwards from point C. We have a new point K. Join point B to point K using a ruler. Locate the middle point of line BK. And using a 1 cm guide, curve the line BK using a French curve as shown. Divide the line DG into 3. Label the first point as point H. Join BH together using a ruler. Find the middle point of line BH and draw a 1 cm guide. Use this 1 cm guide to curve the line BH. Measure 1.5 cm downwards from point F. We now have a new point I. Join K to I and H to I as shown. Divide line KI into 3. Mark out 1 cm on the divisions. Curve the line KI using the 1 cm marked out as a guide. Also divide line HI into 3. Mark 1.5 cm on the divisions. Now use a French curve to curve the line using the 1.5 cm as a guide. From point B, measure out the sleeve length, the desired sleeve length, and in our case it is 22 cm. Join together as shown. The next thing is to trace out using a tracing wheel. I'm highlighting the areas to be traced out with my red marker. The next thing to do is to fold the pattern paper along the line DHG. Trace out using a tracing wheel as shown. Now make the tracing line and curve straight more bolder by marking it out using a marker pen with the aid of our French curve and ruler. Also fold the paper along the CKE line. Trace out as shown using a tracing wheel. Unfold the paper. Now make the areas traced out bolder using a marker pen, a French curve and a ruler. Join the lower parts together with a ruler. The next thing to do is to add the seam allowance. Add a seam allowance of 1.5 centimeters all through the pattern, except for the sides where a seam allowance of 2.5 centimeters will be used. This pattern paper, this short sleeve pattern is for a short sleeve. It is for a short sleeve. If we desire a longer sleeve, what we do is we extend the side seam to the desired length that we want. Now redraw the lines using a ruler and a French curve as shown. To turn this short sleeve pattern into a long sleeve pattern, we need 2 additional measurements. We need to measure around our elbow and also around our wrist, and of course the desired length we would have changed. So we also extend from point B to the desired length that we want. The left side of the pattern paper is for the back, while the right side is the front. Now we have the full short sleeve pattern. Thank you for watching.